So welcome in today's video. I will be showing you a Christmas ornament. So this is the sample of the candle. Okay. Then take these two leaves. They are known as holy leaves, and the berry. This one the round color, which I'll have to cut. Okay. And then this. Okay. Okay. So I hope you will like this Christmas candle ornament idea of mine. Okay, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates, and wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. Okay, I didn't apply only. Okay. Okay, I hope you like this Christmas candle ornament. Okay. Okay.